Hello everyone, this is Miss Sargent and I am going to be demonstrating how I put together my terrarium. So I got a 2-liter soda bottle and I measured it about 5.5, 6 inches and then cut there so that we can have a nice amount of area to work with. So due to COVID-19, I had a little bit of trouble getting some of these supplies that were necessary for this, but fortunately, I was able to find some pebbles outside because I could not find them anywhere to deliver on time. So what I'm going to do is put some of these pebbles that I have at the bottom. Found a nice amount of sizes. Some are smaller, some are bigger, so that we can have a variety in here. I'll take this one out. It's not fitting that well. Some of the small ones. So I wasn't able to come across any charcoal, so I'm going to skip that step, but I was able to get some moss, so we're going to put a little bit of that on top of the rocks. So I'm going to spread this out, kind of smash it down a little bit. I'm going to add a little more. Okay, so I'll put a nice even amount of moss in here. And next we're going to add some soil. And I was able to find some soil in the garden outside, so I'm going to just use some of that, which is why it's in this plastic bag. So I got it from outside. So I'm gonna sprinkle that on top. It's almost like you're baking a pie or something. All the layers necessary. So I'm just going to dump the rest in here just so that we can use all of it. Okay. And for my project, I had some kidney beans in the house because we like to eat those. So what I'm going to do is use my finger and dig a little hole and place a kidney bean inside, and then I'm going to cover it. Then I'm going to spread out and move over here and add another kidney bean. And then the last one we have right here. I'm going to turn this, spread them out, add another little hole here, and cover it up. Then for our last layer, I'm going to add some more of this moss. Just to make it look pretty. So since I planted dry seeds with dry soil, I am going to add a little bit of water to it. I don't want to add too much because I don't want to drown it. So just enough to get the soil wet. As you can see, the soil is moist, but it's not soaked. My project here. Overall, I would say it was pretty simple, fun to do. I'm excited to see what happens and see how much we can get this to grow. Challenges I faced with this particular project, I think because of the circumstances, it was obviously collecting the supplies. And I also had a hard time cutting the plastic. I don't think my scissors were sharp enough, but we made it work. For the 5E, I would use this particular activity for the explore portion of it because it's a hands-on activity and they actually get to physically see what it is that we're learning about. So definitely the explore session portion of it since it's an activity. But yeah, overall, I think this was a great project. Bye.